In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the footer of your site in Squarespace. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your footer, how to open the editor, and how to update the text so it looks clean, professional, and consistent across your entire site. First, a quick refresher. Your footer is the strip at the very bottom of your pages. It's a global area, which means the content you place there usually appears on every page. Things like your copyright notice, a short tagline, or links to policies. Because it shows up everywhere, it's worth keeping the text short, clear, and easy to read. Start by opening your site in the Squarespace editor and scrolling all the way down to the bottom of any page until you see the footer. You can pick any page to do this. Since it's a global section, you don't need to repeat the edit on multiple pages. If you don't immediately see the footer, keep scrolling. Some templates have extra spacing before it appears. Once you're there, hover over the area to reveal the editing controls. Next, click Edit Site Footer. This action switches the page into footer editing mode so you can safely work only in that section. You'll notice that the footer becomes active and ready for changes. Think of this as your dedicated workspace for global updates. It helps prevent accidental edits to the main page content and keeps your workflow focused. Now, click directly on the text in the footer and begin editing. Type in your current details, your business name, the present year, and any short legal or brand line you'd like to display. Use the inline toolbar to format text, add links, or apply simple styling. When adding links to items like privacy or terms, keep the wording concise and the link text clear. If your footer has multiple areas or columns, click within each one to adjust only that specific text. Aim for strong contrast between text and background for accessibility, avoid long paragraphs, and try soft line breaks if you need tighter spacing. If you pasted text from elsewhere, clear any odd formatting so it matches your site styles. After you've updated the copy, your changes will apply across your site's pages. Take a moment to review the footer on a couple of different pages, and if available, in mobile preview to confirm everything wraps nicely and remains readable on smaller screens. Best practice is to keep the footer uncluttered, prioritize essential information, and proofread carefully. Small sections make mistakes very noticeable, and that's all you need to edit the footer text in Squarespace. Clean, simple, and consistent.